G'day, I'm Kev. I run the Ozponds YouTube channel and website. My aim is to help people build and maintain their ponds without spending a fortune. Over the years, as the channel and website have grown, I can't keep up with all the requests for help. So I created a downloadable blueprint that's the system I use when I design and build my own ponds. That worked pretty good and allowed me to help more people, but I still found I was spending a lot of time answering the same questions over and over again. So about a year ago I built Virtual Kev. It's not there to replace me completely, and it doesn't replace all the information contained inside the blueprint. It gives blueprint members access to the way I think 24 hours a day. I also think that it helps people learn the ideas by having a conversation with the AI. You can keep asking the same questions over and over until it finally clicks. I don't know about you, but when I ask a real person the same thing over and over again, eventually I stop asking because I feel self-conscious that I'm just not getting it. But the AI doesn't care and it just stays patient. But AI isn't perfect, and well, just like humans, it can make mistakes. So I always say that you should double check the answers that Virtual Kev gives you with those that are in the blueprint. That'll also help you cement the thought process in your mind, because at the end of the day, you're the one that needs to implement the strategies into the pond. The AI can't do that for you. Inside the blueprint are links to various videos on how I put together the DIY filter systems. We also now have a community that's only available to people using the blueprint, and it's great seeing what people are creating and trying to help each other as problems arise, because problems always pop up. I much prefer this to an open community where everyone's allowed in and there can just be a lot of conflicting advice. So to access Virtual Kev, you just click the link in the blueprint. It should be on page 6, the helpful resources section. You can download the blueprint onto your phone or tablet so you can take the guide and Virtual Kev with you while you're building. So you can see when you open it, it says right up the top here, I'm Kev's AI bot in training. Keep in mind I'm still learning and I sometimes make mistakes. Kev says you should always double check my answers with his blueprint download, and if you have questions I can't solve, ask in the private group chat. And from there you can just start chatting. I think it's best to start simple and tell it very basically what you want. You'll notice that in every example, Virtual Kev wants to work out the volume of the pond. This is because I believe that the first step should always be figuring out roughly how much water you need to filter, and from there you can start to formulate a plan. And you can then use the Virtual Kev and the blueprint in tandem. The steps that I follow are laid out in order inside the blueprint, and Virtual Kev can help you with all the calculations, and you can discuss concerns and things that you aren't sure about. The biggest problem I see is when people start wanting it to do a drawing or map out the whole system as a schematic, or they try and get it to give them a complete plumbing list. Both of these things are something that I don't try and get it to do. Sometimes it might pull it off, but it's not yet good enough for every unique situation. For a start, it has no real-world experience building ponds. It can't watch the videos, it can read text or video transcripts, it can kind of work out what's going on in a photo, but it really falls apart if you want it to map out specific systems using components that you or even it chooses. It also lacks human creativity, and we're all building very different ponds, and the blueprint is designed to help you create something special and unique to your situation. And that's why I've included the videos that show you how I put the systems together, how I choose plumbing components, how I think about the way water will move through the system, how I'll clean and maintain it. You can then adapt these to your own ponds and goals. The fundamentals on how I size a complete system, how much rock, what size, the flow rates for bog streams, jets, water in motion, pump size, the Virtual Kev is great at helping with all of these. All these boring calculations, it can do them really fast, so it can give you a higher level overview very effectively. You can also ask it to show you how it worked it all out, so you can double check the math. But it's the blueprint, the videos and the community that'll help fill in the gaps on how to put the components together and where you might find alternative materials, stuff like that. There's lots of creative ways people are taking the principles inside the blueprint and using materials they have available to create something wonderful. I try and get on there at least once a day and help out where I can. It won't have all the answers, but hopefully as the community grows it gets better and better. My idea is that between the blueprint, Virtual Kev and the community, you get access to the information you need to create something special in your yard. And when you do, feel free to share it. There's a link on the Ozponds website that lets you share your pond with the world. I'd like to show all kinds of projects, big and small. I think it's good to see what regular people are able to create. Anyway, I hope this resource is helpful. Good luck with your project, and I look forward to seeing what you create.